And finally, Atlassian closed out their Team '25 conference with announcing the Customer Service Management. Now, this tool is an augmentation to Jira Service Management, and it creates an experience specifically tailored for your customers. So, Atlassian introduces Customer Service Management, and the idea here is that you're going to be able to leverage the power of JSM, but kind of abstract out of the IT part of it and really create a portal or what I would call an experience for your customers. So you're going to be able to create some sort of a chatbot like interface where your customers can get updates on their tickets, get help from a knowledge base, and it's going to be a very customer friendly location where instead of having to bog down your team, your technical teams with what's the status of this or what's the status of that, your customers are going to have a centralized location where they can just go and simply interact with AI and get answers to their questions. And before we get to that, let me tell you about Aspire Live. Jira shouldn't have to be this hard, and we have an entire team that is ready to help you out with all of your Jira problems. So check out the link down in the description, fill out this information, and let one of our experts reach out to you and help you out on this journey. And now back to the video. And I think this is really, really important because it just brings down the noise and lets AI handle basic or easy, low-hanging fruit type of questions. So really, really excited for that one. But other than that, another cool feature that Atlassian is highlighting here is that AI is going to help with everything, right? So when you are a support engineer and you're looking for information, looking through a knowledge base is rather challenging. But with the power of AI, you're going to be able to go and find that knowledge, that information, so you can help respond to your customer. So again, really elevating the experience of that customer and improving those CSAT scores, improving just overall like customer engagement, making the whole process better. But Atlassian is not stopping there. Atlassian is also allowing Rovo to connect with Jira Product Discovery so they can see if like a bunch of customers are asking for something, they can go and check and see, or Rovo can at least check and see if that feature is even on the roadmap and let the customer know, hey, this is coming up. And so again, it'll kind of do a lot of communication for us. And I'm really, really looking forward to that. And then finally, you can request Loom videos, right? So customer service management AI is going to be able to say, hey, you know what? Why don't you give us a little Loom video? Explain to us what the problem is, because a picture's worth 1,000 words, but a video's worth like 1,000,000. And so by being able to ask for the Loom and then be able to create the ticket and send it off to the right engineer, this is going to be really, really awesome stuff. So a brand new category called customer service management, new product, really. I'm excited to see how this plays out in the world of Atlassian. It's too early to tell. I'm only speculating at this point, but I'm really, really excited. So that's it for all the Team '25 announcements. If you enjoyed all of these, make sure you smash the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. We dropped about 25 videos, so this is the final one in the series. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.